Hello everyone, welcome to Lakshmi Chaya. Today I am here with a very healthy and very nutritious recipe. Dish is completely packed with proteins, omega 3 and many other nutrients which helps in increasing the good cholesterol in our body and also helps in the weight loss process. So this dish has got limitless benefits and very healthy for our kids as well. Begin and see how to prepare these protein ladoos. First let's look into the ingredients. So firstly here I am taking the oats, this normal rolled oats around 2 cups. Then is the flax seeds, 1 cup. Flax seeds which are also known as asali in Hindi or agsi in Kannada. Then is the peanuts, raw peanuts. Then half cup of sesame seeds. White sesame seeds I am using here. Then is the chopped almonds. It's around 1 cup. So these are the ingredients which we have to dry roast. Okay, then next we need some dates, around 6 to 7 dates, and 2 tablespoons of ghee, and 1 cup of jaggery, and chia seeds around half a cup. This is optional. Then will be the cardamom powder 1 teaspoon. Okay, these ingredients need not be roasted, it can be used directly. So to begin with, let's start by roasting our first part of the ingredients. This first I am roasting the oats. Just lightly roast it for 2 to 3 minutes and you can see slightly the color chart starts changing. Here our oats are roasted. Same with the flax seeds. It takes just hardly 3 to 4 minutes to dry roast them. See, this dish has completely filled with lots of nutrients and proteins. So this is one of the best dish I can say to give it for our kids and even for elders as well. So daily one the ladoo is like much more sufficient. It will be nice and filling also to have this. Okay, now here first we have roasted all the ingredients. Now next let's add the other ingredients. It is 1 cup of jaggery, and here I am adding the chia seeds. Chia seeds also are very healthy. Okay, they are really high in omega 3 also. And the dates I am using here, I have just removed the seeds and chopped them. And finally the cardamom powder. Okay, now after adding all the items, let's give it a nice mix. So you can see it has got the almonds, peanuts, everything are very nutritious and we are not using any sugar in this. Okay, now let us add it to a mixer grinder and grind it to fine powder. We'll be grinding it in different batches. See, we have to grind it to almost fine powder. Once our powder is done, let's mix it thoroughly. And I'm just taking half of the mixture first. I've heated the ghee until it melts and adding it to the powder so that it will be easy to make ladoos for us. This dish can be consumed as protein ladoos or protein bars or even the protein powder, which can be consumed along with the milk. See, our ladoo is ready. You can also store this powder in a airtight jar. So without adding the ghee, You can store it easily for around 1 month or more than that in the room temperature itself, and use it whenever necessary. Just make sure you keep it in a airtight jar. Okay, so it's very easy, right? So here are our protein rich, sugar free dates and oats and flax seeds ladoos ready to serve. I hope you like this recipe. Please do try and let me know how it turned out to you in the comment section below. And do like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more and more interesting videos. So see you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.